Yeah, don't sleep here. I know you just woke up. Spoiler for the Chrysler Dash because it doesn't have a 300 anymore, so people won't know what kind of Chrysler it is. As you can see over here, we got the spoiler instructions.
We don't follow those.
We're definitely gonna follow this. And then you have the spoiler, which we kind of opened it up, but someone over here had a problem because they wanted to really see it. No, not her. You can shove it onto the... Yeah, hide your face. That's why we keep you behind the camera. So,
back to the action.
I just rip the shit out of it, or?
Yeah, just open it.
Okay.
There's the hardware for it.
Yeah, I didn't even realize that though. Since the Chrysler is white, I'm going with the black spoiler because I want to make sure that it has a dark night look.
Night look.
So that's the spoiler I got. You can get this on spoiler and winking.com or whatever, but they haven't sponsored us yet. Hopefully they do. This is the SRT flush spoiler, so, and they're running out of stock kind of thing as well. So if you guys really want to get this, you can. So it basically just latches on like that. You can either use a 3M tape, which I'm going to be using, or like, or they give us these bolts and screws and shit to bolt it back on. So it depends on basically you guys, but I'm just going to be using the 3M tape, which is given this one. Or you can go to Canadian Tire or wherever the hell you are in the world, to your convenience store and get one of these. Make sure you get this though. It says super strength molding tape. 3M, please sponsor me.
Like right there.
That's it.
Like there, perfect. Then follow that edge. That along the edge. You already peeled that paint, it's okay.
There's one end. And I'm done.
Sure bought more tape. It's okay, as long as I can get to the end. Then we can use the other one we bought.
Be careful, people. If you're young enough,
You'll cut your finger off. Okay, let's just make sure it's on there good, you know what I mean?
if you're under 12, get parents.
Good job, TJ.
Oh, we gotta. Who knows? Sometimes rich people have rich kids. I mean, okay.
Okay.
Actually, you know what I'm gonna do with
Fine,
he's doing. He's a bit smarter than I am, although I have a degree, and he's a military.
He is a military.
He is a military.
Why does this fly on my face?
Because it wants to make love.
Nice and slow.
So this is a double-ended tape or double-sided tape.
Yeah, double-sided. And hopefully
it stays on when I go less than 60 kilometers an hour. Because we don't speed, people.
Yeah, we're very slow.
Don't need to drive
Even on the highways, we do 60.
Yeah.
Exactly.
What is speeding? I've only been pulled over 8 times.
Yeah, I got pulled
Nobody
over,
here got pulled over for excess.
TJ didn't get pulled over yesterday.
Yeah.
No.
For going 40 over.
Oof, you don't need to expose the crew.
I want them to know how fast we are.
They don't know, can't hurt them.
You literally told me that this is supposed to be his video and he's hiding behind the camera so he doesn't have to be in it.
I'm a rookie.
I'm a rookie.
Why are you putting it right there? Any specific reason?
To make it extra thick gauze.
Not in the middle,
Hold
just
this.
on the side? Just asking for the video.
It's TJ's car, Ma. Let him build his own build.
Let him build his own build. Okay, it's fine. I'll just shut off.
I'm gonna use excess amount of tape. Don't worry about it.
TJ
It
is
drives too
scared to
fast.
lose his $200 ring.
I'm scared to lose everything right now. The other day, I was about to lose everything.
His license.
My license. Well, we don't have much left, eh?
Well, probably not enough to do the other side.
It's okay, we can use the other
It's
three.
okay, this side's more up here anyways.
Yeah, that's true. I guarantee you their tape's a bit cheaper quality than the actual 3M.
It doesn't even say 3M on it.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it looks close to being a 3M.
TJ's defending.
Sponsor me.
Sponsor me.
Chop it up, balls.
Shy. Get it about there.
Just careful.
Where's the cloth? We gotta wipe the surface.
Yeah, I got 2 cloths right here. You gotta show us wiping it down. Get nice and close to it, yeah. You got this one.
Okay, well that's good.
There you go. Last one. Cool. Okay, the moment of truth. Will it stick?
I don't know.
It's
It's fine, worry about that after you put it down.
I worry about everything.
okay, my side is right there.
Hold on, move this way.
Wow, that's perfect on my side. Now it's too much. Yeah, right there. Are you putting it down?
Yeah.
You have to hold it down.
Shouldn't this
For like. There was no color options though. It only came in the one.
I mean, I can't tell the difference.
You can only tell the difference because it was pointed out.
I think I can.
Yeah, because it was here. You can't tell it.
Whatever, it's fine. I'm overthinking.
I personally like it. I just can't tell the difference.
How does it look inside?